We start off by drawing a circle like this. Grab the selection tool and click the white, then click inside the circle. Click on Gaussian blur. Move your pencil until you get 21%. That would be enough. Now go to your brushes and select the soft airbrush. Choose the color from the palette. You can find the palette and the free brushes in the description down below. Now create a new layer and put the colors in like that. Select the Gaussian blur again. Set it around 31%. Create a new layer above. It's time to put the highlights. By the same soft airbrush, put the highlights like this. Go to the Gaussian blur again and set it around 15%. Go ahead and merge all three layers and duplicate the layer and resize them to make several bubbles. And there you go. You have just created your first beautiful realistic bubbles. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye!